Okay, you're looking at the main detail page for college algebra, the Math 121, but it's also there for the 055 as well. Okay, back to 121. Now, over on the left-hand side of the screen here, we've got your weekly schedule. Okay, now try and follow it as best you can. I'm not too worried about if you're missing certain weeks. I mean, just try and catch up. So we should be moving through chapter 1 right now, and if you do need a reference to a book, if you don't have a book, then for both classes, over here bottom right somewhere, resources, right, 121 at 055, the 121, I've put a couple of chapters up there for you. I think the 055, you can click on the book there. Okay, so again, over there, lower right of the screen. Now, this kind of follows the syllabus over here on the left-hand side. If you need to look at the syllabus, please do. You're supposed to read through this and check everything. If I click on the syllabus link here, it should take me all the way down. Let's have a look. You might do some catching up. If I scoot to the bottom here, let's have a look. And there it is again. Okay, bottom of the syllabus there, again, the weekly assignments. Let's go back to the main page. Okay, but please go through the syllabus. Now, the main thing I want everybody to do, whether it's the college algebra or the 055, is to look under content. So I'll go with that 055 as well. We look under content. Okay. And down here, right, we have, well, for one thing, the syllabus is in here. Okay. But if I look at the whole table of contents, each chapter from the book, which I've called a module, has the material. So if I click on here, there we've got 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, if I go into the 055, again we've got materials for test 1. It's just labeled a bit differently. Okay, so again in 055 we use 2.6 from the book, 2.7, 3.5, blah blah blah. Okay, that's the material. So if I click onto one of these modules, okay, one of the sections, then in here we have videos. Now the instructor videos are my videos, so they're a bit more personalized to the course. The Math is Power for You videos, the subtitled ones, let's look at the 055, what have I called it in there? We have subtitled videos and the CCD videos. Now that's because these can be subtitled, okay? So it's entirely up to you. We have to put the subtitled ones in for ADA compliance, okay? So you kind of do watch the videos. Let's have a look on here. Okay, there's all the videos. You go through that. You would then possibly look at the PowerPoint. Okay, don't forget about the worksheet. Don't worry about that. The main thing you're going to get a grade from is doing the quiz. This is the homework. Again, whether it's in 121 or whether it's in the 055. Now, occasionally you'll see some discussions. This is the discussion icon. Okay. So again, let's have a look. There's a discussion. So for both classes, I want you to kind of participate in some of the discussions. You don't have to do every single one. You can pick and choose. I'm kind of going to do that as extra credit, okay? Because really, again, the majority of your grade with outside of the tests is going to come from the homework, which is the quizzes. Okay, again over here, the quizzes in the 055. Now, if you want to jump to them, you can actually go straight into the quizzes tab. You can also go straight into the discussions tab. But the discussions under each section kind of applies to that section. If you want to jump ahead and do a discussion, go ahead and try a quiz, okay? But there is some sort of order. Again, there's the 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. for each chapter. That's the college algebra. If I click on the quizzes for the 055, again, it's all the same thing. You've got all the quizzes in here as well, 2.6, 2.7, okay? So, again, I'm going to go back to content. Just pick the section. So again, just follow it down here in order all the way down through this left-hand side. So again, videos you need to watch, or if you want to look at the book, go ahead, look at the book. And honestly, the only thing I'm really asking of you is to do the quiz for each one. Even if I jump way ahead to polynomials. Okay, let's have a look what's under polynomials. Look, there's 4.2, obviously for chapter 4.2. Again, let's have a look. My videos, subtitled videos, a PowerPoint, don't do the worksheet, quizzes, maybe discussion. Okay, let's look at the 055, what have we got here? Content. Again, let's have a look. Now, I don't think I've put a worksheet. So for the 055, don't worry about the worksheet. And again, for you college algebra people, don't worry about the worksheet, even though it's there. It's a print off, you can look at it if you want to. So that's the main thing really, is you to work in order through each one of these modules, okay? So again, it's basically the chapters from the book, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, the first test for 121 is these two modules, okay? Graphing and functions. Again, if you're looking at the 055, it's all this material here, 2.6, 2.7. That's for the first test, okay? So you're watching videos, you're doing the homework, and again, homework is where you get the grade from. You must come in to take the tests, okay, onto campus. Do email me if you have any problems doing that. So for now, I'm going to call that it for now, because if we can, I'll try and organize. I might have sent out some little email about doing a WebEx, an online conference. We get together, we can chat. I think I've booked that for 7 o'clock on Tuesday for the college algebra students. I'll send out something for the 055 students if you want to get together and chat about stuff over a conference. If that doesn't work too well, I can send out my Skype login. Okay, you can contact me at jason.burke32, but I'll send that out. That's my Skype identity. So you can always Skype in if you want to as well, but that's outside of those particular WebEx conference. You all can do your login from that because you're all CCD students. So any problems with that, do let me know. If you need to, just shoot me an email about you'd like to Skype or you'd like to contact me other than just emailing me. Just let me know, even if it's a phone call. Okay?